All right, I'm gonna give you 3 questions that are gonna make you millions of dollars and make your life so much easier, and you're not asking them before you start your business meetings. Before you jump into any meeting, I want you to review your understanding of the situation and ask the other person these 3 questions. Hey, does all that still match what you need? Far too often, you've got an idea before you go into that meeting, and it's not matching what they need, okay? So does all that match what you need? Then ask them this: did I miss anything? You might have missed something in your previous conversations. You want to know that before you start this meeting, and then say this: hey, has anything changed since we last spoke? So you're going to review your understanding of the situation. You're going to go, hey, does all that match what you need? Yeah, Matt, it does. Cool. Did I miss anything? Nope. Has anything changed since we last spoke? When you ask those 3 questions, now you got the green light to have your meeting, and you're going to find you're going to close the deal, you're going to advance, you're going to move forward, you're going to get your way a lot more. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.